Welcome back to my channel, guys, and for today's video I'm going to be trying something I haven't tried in a long time, and I'm going to be trying out Bantu knots, so stick around and stay tuned. Okay, so I just shampooed, deep conditioned, all that good stuff with my hair. I'm excited, kind of scared. So this video was actually inspired by Truly Talented Beauty. I think that's her name on Instagram as well as on YouTube. And I seen this video on Instagram that she did, and she did this Bantu knot out and it came out so beautiful. I was like, oh my god, that just made me want to do Bantu knots. So here I am about to attempt this. She did it on blown out hair. I did watch a couple videos. It could be done on wet or damp hair, and that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to do it on wet hair because I don't feel like blowing out my hair. I shampooed my hair with the Melanin Hair Care shampoo, the African Black Soap shampoo, and then I deep conditioned my hair with Miche Indulge moisturizing deep conditioner. It has raw honey and babasu oil. After that, I got this tip from, I believe her name is Curly Chris on YouTube. She was saying that you could just put your leave-in in the shower while your hair is soaking wet, and that's what I did. It feels really good, very moisturized, so that little tip was definitely needed because that's what she said. She said your hair is going to feel so moisturized, and it really, really does. These are some great products as well. She's not the first one I heard say this though, but I decided to try it. I'm using the Miche Lavish leave-in conditioner. It is made with aloe vera and avocado oil. It is a 3-in-1 leave-in conditioner that moisturizes, detangles, and softens hair. This isn't necessarily a review, even though this is my first time using these products specifically. But I've already used some Miche Beauty products and amazing. For the style, I definitely wanted to use some type of butter. So I have the Miche Quench Hydrating and Twisting Butter. It is made with kapawasu butter and mango butter. To give my hair a nice finish and a little hold, I am going to use this Eden Body Works mousse from their Citrus Fusion collection. So I'm ready to see how this goes. I have no expectations whatsoever. I don't know if it's gonna be bad or good. The last time I did a Bantu knot out was probably when I very first went natural, which was about 6 years ago. So it's been a long time since I've done this. Whether it's a success or a fail, it's been a long time. Hopefully this works. My hair feels very moisturized with the leave-in in my hair alone. I don't even have any oil in my hair yet. Speaking of, I need to go grab some oil. I'm using the Polished Hair and Scalp Oil, Argan Oil, and jojoba oil in here. Today, I didn't place any oil on my scalp. I wonder how that's gonna feel. My scalp doesn't feel like dry or anything though, so I think I'll be alright. I think this is a good size. Now the girl who I watched, Curly Chris, she has longer hair than I have, and her hair shrunk up a lot, so I can only imagine how much mine is going to shrink up. It's not gonna look nearly as good as Truly Talented Beauty's, but it's okay. I still want to try it. So I'm going in with that butter, like this much. Listen, if it comes out good, it's a plus. If it doesn't, oh well. Okay, this butter feels really nice on my hair. I'm liking this. And now I am putting a little bit of the mousse into. Oh my god, my hands are so slippery. I think that's good. So don't mind my little kitchen / undercut. It's a long story. For those of you who don't know how to Bantu, I guess I can give a little bit of instructions. So you just twist your hair until, like, once you let up a little bit, it starts to bunch up. Then you can go ahead and you just, I would place like your finger as a holder so you can go around that and you could feel for the knot. And as you're putting it in a knot, keep twisting just to secure that knot. And you're literally just wrapping it around. Use your fingers to guide you to make sure it's going around. But this is pretty much it. Okay. And once you're down at the end, you just tuck that all around. I hope you can see that. You have a perfect bantu. Okay? Alright, so I am just gonna go through this whole process. I'm gonna speed it up and play some music. You guys sit back, relax, and enjoy. And here we go. So here I'm kind of just pulling off the excess, just so you can see. You're literally just twisting and wrapping, twisting and wrapping. That's really all it is. Okay, and I kind of just keep twirling and wrapping, twirling and wrapping. Quick. I got one side done. I'm just gonna go ahead and do the other side, and I'll come back when it's all done. This is what it's looking like. I just went and slayed my edges too a little bit because I just thought it looked kind of cute. Like, this is really cute, but my parts are nothing precise or uniform, so it's cute, but it's not go outside like this cute. So this, I will only be in the house with this. But yes, I will see you guys in a couple days because I'm pretty sure it's gonna take some time to dry. I may try tomorrow, we shall see. And I'm gonna take it out and we're gonna see how it looks though. I'm super excited. I don't know what to expect. I hope the results come out nice. If not, I would definitely still try this again because it's pretty quick to do this. Like I said, this wasn't a review. The Miche products were really good though and very moisturizing. They did a great job. I'm not surprised at all. To lay my edges, if you care, I did use the Crystal Orchid Gel. I'm just trying to empty this out. I have like a little teensy weensy bit left. So teensy weensy, you can't really see it, but it's in there. Don't judge me, okay? Alright guys, so I will be back with the final results. Alright guys, so we are back and I'm ready to take out these Bantu knots. Listen, it better come out good, and I am not playing because I got dolled up for this, okay? So please pray for me. Alright, let's get started. I coated my hands with a little bit of oil. For anybody that doesn't know how to unravel Bantu knots, you just twist them in the opposite direction, so it's kind of like an unscrewing motion, and that's basically what you do. I just have to feel for which direction I went in. And we unscrewed her. Alright. Sheesh. Why did it snap like that? Okay. Okay, to unravel it, I'm scared. Okay. Boing. Actually came out really nice. I absolutely hate how shrunken it is, but it's okay. Can you stretch Bantu knots? Should you stretch? I'm not gonna do it, I don't think. I'm scared to separate. Let me just take out another one. But it's looking pretty good though. Yo, no, it's not dry. What? No, 24 hours. Are you serious? Okay, so I don't have time. I don't have time for this. That kind of stretched it too. I'm gonna separate now. I'm scared. Okay. I'm not really feeling it, y'all. I'm not. Still damp. What the? That's what I get. This is what I get. This is not coming out cute. It's not. I'm just trying to think, how can I finesse this? Because this ain't it already, I can tell. It's not it. I took it down prematurely. It's not terrible, but this ain't. I don't like it that much. Let me just shut up and take them all down, right? Shut up. I'm gonna take the other side now and I will be back. Okay, so this side is actually not bad. And learning that I'm not doing that technique where I just twist it in the opposite direction and it'll just start to unravel itself, and also it helps so that I can separate them with less frizz. And I'm also seeing that the parts where I worked in smaller sections, I'm getting better results, and they're also completely dry. So this one wasn't too bad. They are really shrunken though. I don't like that too much, but it's okay. I kind of knew that would happen. I just had to figure out how to finesse it somehow. Very springy. That is trash.
No, God!
I don't like it. It is cute. It is just not how I like my hair. So I'm going to figure something out. I'm gonna figure out how I'm gonna finesse this style because I do not like this, guys. Not for me, at least. I just turned this into a little updo. I put this up into like a mini puff. I got some little tendrils on the back, and I have a little bang that I'm stretching right now. Let's see what it looks like. I sleeked it up a little bit too, so we'll see. It hasn't been that long, maybe a few minutes, but just tried to turn this into like a little messy style, which I think is kind of cute. The back may need some more work, but this is what we're looking like. You guys let me know how you feel about it. Bantu knots are not my thing as of yet, but yes, how are you guys feeling this little like messy puff updo style? Let me know in the comment section below. I hope you guys really like this video. I will be trying to do more hairstyles. I know I typically just do my twist outs all the time, but I want to try some new things, so you guys definitely let me know what you would like me to try. And I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff, guys, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.